Chimeka Chiduze, animal rights campaigner, human educator, and the founder of the Human Global Network, an organization registered in Nigeria promoting animal welfare and vegetarianism in school. The seminar in school has been carried out in over 200 schools, both in Nigeria and outside the country, with proof of photographs. I started the campaign in school teaching the kids in Nigeria what they need to be humane since 2010. I've been consistent doing this for the last 10 years. As a campaigner, I was first featured in Animal Times magazine in 2012, precisely, published by the People for the Ethical Treatment of the Animals in the US. As an activist, I have used human education resources by Animal Aid in London, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, PETA, Vegetarian International Voice for Animals, VIVA, Animal Defenders International, and Animal Fund for Animal Welfare to protect animal welfare here in Nigeria. I've been featured also in over 30 newspapers, online media platforms in Nigeria. In 2012, I was made the World Animal Day Ambassador for Nigeria. Severally, I've been sent a sponsorship form to fill to be able to attend the Animal Care Expo conferences in America. In 2012, I was invited to share my animal welfare experience to the staff of the Society for Animal Welfare Ghana, SWAG, by the World Animal Ambassador in Ghana, Mr. Martin Ojapa. In the year 2014, I was also sent an invitation letter to Liberia by Maurice Dabo, the founder and executive director of Liberia Animal Welfare and Conservative Society in 2013, who is also the World Animal Day Ambassador for Liberia. In 2015, I was invited to speak on vegetarianism and animal talk by the Veggie Victory, the organizer of the Lagos Vegetarian Festival, that attracted a lot of vegetarians across the globe and students to the venue. I'm a good friend to Mr. Emmanuel, the president of the Nigerian Vegetarian Society and the founder of the Nigerian Society for the Prevention and Cruelty of Animals, NSPCA in Lagos. As a strong animal activist, I was recently given an award by a Nigerian newspaper as an animal ambassador in Nigeria for my good works in animal welfareism in Nigeria. I've been sponsored to attend animal welfare conferences in Kenya and Ethiopia, organized by the African Network for Animal Welfare, which was supported by the federal government of Kenya and federal government of Ethiopia, of course, also by the